see it down to that 694. You know, that looks really good to me. But what I will say is, if we end up getting that break under, my first little stop will be this 605. So that will be my first little trim area. I would still have this in balance. So, I mean, it looks good. We're just going to have to, you know, see how things play out for today. I actually want to turn this green there. All right, cool. All right, 1 second here, 1 second. So, yeah, we'll see how things play out. We got, what, about an hour left before some movement. So, yeah, that's what I can see there, which doesn't look too bad. Yeah, we'll just have to see how things play out. So, yeah, that's on the cues. Can you add? So, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yo, Mike, Quincy, what's up? Yeah, we'll do it. Okay, so we did that. NVDA, we'll take a look there. Actually, we already have that pulled up. So you have that pulled up. We're gonna do AMD as well. SPY and Tesla. So I do want to see Tesla too. NVDA, yeah. So this ended up. So I'll be honest, I didn't end up getting into this one. Definitely would have been a nice little play if I did, but I didn't end up trying this. But what I will say, we can go to let's see. So pretty much same exact trades in our Discord every single day. All right, so that's if we can, get a continuation, of course. Actually, you know what? I gotta write some things down. Hold on, give me 1 second here. All right, so video here. Actually, there's actually both sides here that I can see. Yeah, it actually doesn't look too bad. Hold on 1 second here. So yeah, we got this clear gap down here, no consolidation. Yeah, I will say we got another little box here. It actually looks pretty good. I get it. Yes, we ended up, gapping up, so we could expect maybe a small selling pressure at open, and then if we do want to, get this run here, this is what I can see to this upside. If we can get above that 196.23, it looks good. So 196.23 looks like we're trying there, but we'll see if we can get that. So it doesn't look too bad. Let's see here. Looks like we're trying to do it as of this second though. Below us, I will say we got another little box here. So under this 194, if we get that break under there, I would like to see under to that 187. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. So same exact thing, empty space. Looks like we're trying to fill that empty space to the upside already. As you can see that. So yeah, it looks like we're still trotting up. All right, yeah, it's just like all of our plays. If they hit, cool. If they don't, you can see the plays that we ended up getting into yesterday. So pretty much both sides, clear gap up. We break outside of our wall. We go into the empty space. See what happened in the Qs. Also, IWM had a good entry. I don't think I posted that entry, but you can see what we did just yesterday. Let's go. QQ calls. Thanks, Foot Bros. Shout out to the mods as well. If the play hits, cool. If the play doesn't hit, that's fine. You can see what Yaz did just yesterday too. A couple other members. So yeah, right now, for today, I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Shout out to all the ladies catching a couple of those trades too as well just yesterday. Caught SPY. Thank you. Boom. IWM. So yeah, it was a nice little day. So looking for the same little movement. As for the upside though, if it gets that continuation, I probably won't chase into it. But yeah, there's a lot more though. There's a lot more empty space. So we'll have to see how things play out. All right, so let's go over Tesla too. Let's see how this is going to play out. Yo, V, what's up? Got in fire. No worries. I mean, there will always be more trades, so you can use real money for different trades. So yeah, you'll be good. All right, so let's see here. So Tesla, we may have to. Yeah, we got a couple decent plays here. So honestly, we'll go ahead and get rid of this. It looks like we're already into this empty space. So we did this on a 30-minute chart. But I will say, I'm still gonna have the same exact box here. So pretty much same box, same play. Let's see. So we ended up having this box here. So this is basically this same exact box. We just kind of spread it out. We actually got this closed outside of this wall here, and I would love to see us if we can end up hitting this 418.74. As for right now, though, I personally would not enter into this just because we're already into the empty space. The only way I would want to enter if we can get a retest near this 411, and then getting that pushed into this empty space to the sub side. So it looks good. It's just we're just not, or as I should say, we are already inside of that empty space. So don't want to chase that. Obviously, yes, we got more empty space above that. So whenever this wants to happen too, not saying that it will happen today, but you can easily see. Hold on. One second. Yeah, we got some good plays for today. I will say. Yeah, just got to be careful. Top wall, bottom wall there, right above this 432. We get that continuation. Want to see up to that 441. So either way, it doesn't look bad. So that's just that next leg up if it ends up happening. All right, cool. Yo, Lon, what's up, bro? Google pushing all-time highs again? That's crazy. All right, yeah, we'll take a look there. All right, so that is on Tesla. I do like that. Google SPY. So yeah, wait, let me take a look at where the Qs are. Give me 1 second here. All right, so the Qs. All right, so the Qs, I may have to say screw this 30-minute now. We end up getting that break, but we could not get above that 612. So 612 looks good. We'll see if we can get that nice little entry above. All right, so let's take a look here. AMD. Yo, Nelly, what's up? What's up? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate it. All right, so it looks like we kind of already hit this empty space here. I think we did this on a... yeah, we did this on a 2-hour time frame, I believe. So yeah, we ended up punching back here. We ended up going up. We did end up touching those targets, but I kind of want to start fresh on this. So just like all of our trades here, each trade is the same. You can see what some members did here just yesterday. 2 times on Tesla. This was just yesterday. A couple of these trades. So I'm looking for these same exact entries. If we get in, cool. If it works, if it doesn't, that's perfectly fine. You can see how we call out plays pretty much, and yeah, that was pretty much it. So yeah, we'll keep on going here. AMD, since this play already kind of happened here, I'm just going to wait. I like this little move here now. And it doesn't look bad to me. I understand that we still could end up targeting to this empty space here. I get that. It's just we kind of already tampered with it, so I kind of want something clean here. So above that 240.60, if we can get that break up to that 246.36, which it doesn't look too bad to me. It's clean. Just need a nice close, especially if we can hold above that 239. So it looks really good. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yo, Milo, what's up? Yeah, so we do have that discount code that will be ending. Soon. So yes. We do have that 30% off code. Obviously, yes, if you just want to join the free chat, free Discord is there. You can see what we do here. You can honestly just scroll through the games page and see what happens, or what we pretty much do. But yes, that code, put family, all caps. That's for 30% off. That's for that Black Friday sale. Well, early Black Friday sale. All right, so Google. Oh, brother. Yeah, I mean, so yeah, that's crazy. All right, yeah, that's wild. As of right now, I'll be honest with you, I don't have any words for it. You know, we're touching those all-time highs again. We could end up, you know, just getting that continuation a little bit higher. From what I can see, you know, if we wanted to break it down on a lower time frame, we definitely could. Obviously, I don't see this happening as of this second here, especially if we, you know, get this continuation. Please move along. Let's see. All right, so we got a box there. And below us, we got empty space. Down to this, let's see here. So empty space down to that 294.41. So yeah, actually looks really good. We got this clear gap up that I would like to the downside. As of right now, it doesn't look like that wants to happen. But if it does, that's what I can see there. Small little $4 move there. Yo, Freedom, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Yes, sir, I got you. All right, so that's on Google. We did AMD. Let's pull up SOFI. So Uncle Will, hopefully you're watching. And yes, if you have any requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. And did we even, hold on, we didn't do SPY yet. I need to do SPY. We did the Qs. Tesla. Okay, Tesla is looking okay. I do want to see some sort of retest before doing anything with this. So yeah, we'll just have to see how that plays out. All right, TTD. Okay, cool. Yo, Alyssa, what's up? Good to see you as well. AVGO. Okay, cool. We'll do that as well. And then I'm actually going to pull up one more chart. So just give me 1 second here if it'll load. VEEV. Okay, cool. We'll do that as well. We already have TTD pulled up on this other chart, and then yes, sir, we'll do coin and then CMG. I'm confused. On every live, people are trading Nasdaq, not regular currency pairs. I mean, it really just depends on what people want to trade. It's not really a wrong answer. Some people trade futures, which is fine. We have people that only trade options. We have people that trade both. It's not really a wrong answer. It's just what other people prefer. Obviously, we mainly trade options in our Discord. And there are still a lot of members that still trade futures, and they use NQ and QQ, same play. They use the same plays pretty much. A lot of people just stick to options in our Discord. It's pretty much up to the member. It's not really a wrong answer as long as you can hit your targets, hit your plays. That's pretty much fine. So obviously these are mostly just option plays. There's a few members that just get in on their futures account, things of that sort. But yeah, it really just depends on the person. But yeah, you can see all these are options. So yes, we do day trades and also swing trades. But yes, we'll keep on going. All right, SOFI. Uncle Will, hopefully you're here, man. He said, "Are people trading?" Lee is the new prop firm, dude. That would be crazy. I don't know if I want to take it that far, man. I'm happy with the trades that we're able to do. We'll let the other people do, the firms and all that good stuff. Okay, so SOFI, I personally still like it. You can see, yes, we ended up gapping up into this little empty space. That 27.93 was that final. What I can also see here, so I still have my alert set. I still like this. I kind of would want to swing it, actually. So yeah, what I can see here is this clear gap down, no consolidation. So pretty much that same exact move, just on this 2 hour. If we can get that nice close outside of this 28.97, we have empty space above us up to that 31.77. Looks like we're struggling to get above that cost-based area too. So we'll just have to see how things play out. As of right now, you know, I'm waiting on this. I have my alert set, so yeah, it looks really good. Actually, maybe I'll write it down just in case if my alerts wants to play around with me today. All right, cool. So that's on SOFI. That's what I can see there. Also, hold on, give me 1 second. I know we have to go over these other, you know, stocks and plays or whatnot. I kind of want to see what IWM is talking about here. So just bear with me 1 second here. Yes, sir, man. Yeah, Uncle Will, just make sure to once this happens, just make sure to spam the chat, bro, if you have to. I don't care. You can spam it. It's all good. Because that's actually not a bad play that I would participate in. I don't know. I think it's because we swung it. I think it was last week we swung it and it ended up working really well. And it looked exactly alike. So, all right. So this was this play here that we ended up having. So yeah, I'll be completely honest. We ended up breaking above. We, you know, had this empty space that looked really good. And screw that, because we got to look at something new. So since that play already pretty much happened, so the 1 hour looks really good. The 2 hour, I mean, we could do the 2 hour too as well, which is perfectly fine. 238. Okay, hold on. Let me look here. Give me 1 second. $238. Okay, it looks really good here. Okay. So I think I like the 2 hour just a bit better. But this is what I can see here on this 1 hour here. So hold on. Got the box here. 238, 30-ish area. We got empty space up to this 242. Actually doesn't look too bad. We'll see how things play out. Hold on, this is IWM. All right. I mean, yeah, we got a nice little move. If it wants to happen, that'll be great. We'll just have to see how this plays out. It kind of looks like the play from, you know, yesterday, the day before that, or, you know, as usual at least. So pretty much, you know, it pretty much was the same play. I'm pretty sure it was this one here. So clear gap down, we had this break above, and then we had empty space that was currently above us. So pretty much the same thing here. You can see in the, you know, the day trading alerts that we ended up having. Hold on. So you can see, I kind of want to show the beginning of it. Where's this at? Hold on. So you can see these IWM calls here. You can see when we posted it just yesterday before market opened. Clear gap down. We had this break outside of this 234. We ended up going straight into the empty space. So this is kind of what I would be expecting, looking for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can see those targets end up hitting and what ended up happening on that little trade there. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Right now, I would not be touching it whatsoever. I could care less about it. Do want to see if we can, yeah, get above. Downside, let me take a look. Hold on. Downside, downside, downside. Okay, maybe I do see something. Just maybe. All right, just maybe. Okay, maybe on this 2 hour. Just give me 1 second here. Yo, Queen 6 sharing the live stream, bro. Really appreciate it. And yes, if you have any other requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. I know we're pretty much going down the line here, so. And I know I'm pretty slow going over these stocks, but it's all good. So there's also another little box here. Nothing really crazy. This will be more of like a lotto play, I would say. But yeah, under that 232, we get that break under there. We got empty space down to that 230. So looks really good. We'll just have to see how things play out. All right, cool. Yo, bro, Christian, what's up, man? Joined yesterday, man. Excited, dude. Fire, man. I will say, you know, for the plays today, same exact thing as always. You know, we don't rush into anything. We just wait for the plays, and then when the play happens, we get in and we get out. So, you know, if we post, or when we post the plays today, a lot of plays were already posted by Rug. Shout out Rug. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for the entries. No need to, you know, get FOMO, you know, to try to get in just because you want to make money. Obviously, you know, let's just say if the markets are moving really well and we get entries just like yesterday. So yesterday was a very good day. We had very decent movements. They were very clean. We get those same exact movements, get those candle closes we want. We'll get in. Let's just say if we end up chopping, then yes, we're just going to have to wait it out. So yeah, it's going to be a nice clean day. We'll see how things play out. All right, coin. Let's take a look here. I do have something here already that I see. Yes, sir, my guy. Yeah, patience is going to be the main thing for today and pretty much in our Discord. So I think it was, I'm not sure what day it was. I think it was either Monday or Tuesday. So I think it was like Monday or Tuesday. We had to wait like an hour or so. I think we had one play in the morning, and then we had to wait like the rest of the day before we got into the next play. Which is perfectly fine though. All right, so 269 above that 269.39 area. This is what I can see, which looks really good, really dandy. If we can get this nice continuation, this nice break outside of our level here, I do see a little bit of empty space up to this, let's see, 285.06. So it actually looks really good. We'll just have to see how things play out. Right now we're just stuck in consolidation, so I don't really want to take anything on this. Just want to kind of just wait and see if we can get a little play on that. Obviously to the downside, so I wish this was better points of contact, but yes, we got a little bit of a gap here down to this 250, hold on, 251.12. So looks really decent too. So right now I'm just gonna wait and see if we can get a nice little movement, nice little play. Let's get rid of that, and yeah, we'll see. All right, cool. Hold on one second here, guys. Yes, sir, we can do SPY, NBIS. Yes, sir, we can do it. So SPY, actually, yeah, we'll do that next. NBIS too. Okay. Let's do it. All right, give me 1 second here, guys and gals. All right, Rug, TR, yeah. So if you're already in the chat, if you're in the VIP Discord, you'll see some charts already. Rug is kind of reading my mind today, pretty much as always. But yeah, well, give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. Okay, cool. My bad, guys. I'm sending a couple messages right now. We will get straight to it. Hold on, I think there was a couple other ones. Where is it at? All right, there we go. All right, so yeah, you'll see a lot of those in the chats. Oh wow, dude, what the world? What just happened? Oh brother, hold on. If that means, hold on, give me 1 second. If that means that, all right, hold on. Okay, so it looks like we got. Yeah, I mean, hold on, guys, no worries. I'll go ahead and open the markets for us. So no, I'm kidding. But yeah, if this ends up happening, it's fine. I would want this at market open. We'll see how things play out though. It actually doesn't look terrible, but yeah, a crazy move up. Obviously, let's just say if this is a fake out, we got some downside, so I'll definitely be participating. We'll see how things play out. All right, so SPY, let's take a look here. And as we're getting this nice little push up. Yo, Mario, what's up? What's up? RIVN, yes, sir. Let's do it. All right, hold on. We're going to pull these charts up really quickly. So on SPY, this is what I kind of have here. This is what I like. Actually, SPY's downside doesn't look bad either, though, so it doesn't look terrible. So yeah, we may have to tweak a little bit of these charts. We'll be all right. Hold on 1 second here. Dude, I swear my phone does not want to charge today. I'm at 6%. And Lawnmower, before you say anything, no, I tried to charge it, but I forgot to. All right, hold on. Let's see here. Let's see. It usually works. All right, so yo, Alexander, what's up? POTR and also ARKKK. ARKK, yes, let's do it. Just get the end. Dude, honestly, at this point, I might get a BlackBerry. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so on SPY, this is what I can see here. Right above this, what is it, the 674. If we can get this nice break outside of that wall, that level, we do have empty space up to this 681. So it actually doesn't look too bad. We're just going to have to see how things play out with this little trade. Don't forget to plug. Dude, I know, man. Hold on. I think it's. I don't know. I don't know if it's my charger or not. Okay, we're good, guys. We're good. We're good. All right. I'm just not going to move at all because if I move one limb, it may uncharge. All right. So, yeah, we're doing good right now. If this doesn't work, guys, I'm going to get me a flip phone, and yeah, we're going to call it a day. So, yeah, we got this clear gap down there. If we can get a break above that 674, we got the empty space, which looks good. So, yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. So, that is on SPY. To the downside, though, the downside actually looks pretty dandy. It looks really good. I do like SPY's downside. You know, it's not bad. So, there's also another top-bottom wall here. And, yeah, right under that 669, we have this gap down to this 6603 area. So you can see entry, exits, middle of the move. We got this empty space, so it looks really good. He said full port puts. I mean, I'm not gonna say that just yet, just because, you know, we're still going up. For me, I mean, puts look good, calls look good, both sides look good. But I will be honest, each trade, I don't like to just get in on how I feel. I like to get in on what the charts tell me. So if it tells me I have to get in, cool, I'll get in. If it tells me I have to stop out, I can always stop out, find a re-entry. If it tells me to take profits, then yes, I will take profits. So it really just depends on the play. So it could be another play like just yesterday, how we had a nice little move up. Or we could end up dropping today. We're just going to have to see. I kind of like the upside today, though. We'll see. All right, so we'll keep on going here. RIVN, Chris, hopefully you're here. All right, so let me take a look. Okay. And also Neo, yes, sir, we'll do it. So we did SPY, Neo as well. All right, so RIVN, we're still stuck in this box here. I thought we were going to get this yesterday, which we didn't. But yeah, clear gap up, no consolidation. Under that 1449, I still like it. I kind of want that downside a little bit better, or I like it a little bit better at least. So a break under that 1449, we get that nice clear gap down, empty space. Above us, I still like this 1579. So for me, I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to let it play out. I just don't like how it's inside of consolidation. We just been playing around this whole time. So nice break outside the wall, looks really good. Either way. Yeah, so this is something I will not be touching until we get a decent move on it. Alright, so since Google is pushing up, do you think Meta will? Yo, Crazy Cat Lady, what's up, what's up? Okay, hold on. My bad, guys. So Google, and yes, we'll go over Neo too as well. We got to go over Neo. So we were almost there. We were almost there here. So we're sitting right at our wall here, which is crazy, right? So this is something that I did want to take to this downside here. Honestly, I still would take it if we can get it. But as of this second here, we aren't there yet. So I kind of want this 24-hour close. If we can get that close under this wall, we have this empty space that is under us. As for this, yeah, I'll be honest. This was a play that I wanted to take just yesterday. See, I had this pulled up, but I told the members, I was like, look, I'm not going to get into this just because we're still in that box. And, obviously, if I have to stop out, that's fine. But yeah, not in this play. We'll have to see how things play out, though. I do like that downside. All right, 1 second here. Gotta. All right, so. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with stopping out. So if I lose on a trade, that's cool. There's always going to be another one. How does the upside look? So the upside actually. Let me take a look here. Maybe we can go to a lower time frame and break it down. Okay. So possibly 1 hour, I'll say this isn't really a box since there's no points of contact there, but if we can get a clear break outside that 586, could see up to that 597. That's what I can see there. So it doesn't look too bad. All right, so yeah, that's on Neo. I'm going to pull up all these other charts. So Google, NVIS, we have to go over that. ARKK, let's do that as well. So I think we have to do TTD, AVGO, Marvel as well. I'm going to pull up one more chart here, so give me 1 second here. Marvel, and then yes, we can go to Meta too as well. AMD, I think we already did AMD, but let me see. I think we did AMD if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think we did 2 hour charts. Okay, yeah, we did it. I do remember it. So yeah, I personally wouldn't want to touch this unless, okay, there's actually a little box here. So top, bottom wall there. Hold on 1 second here. Wrong one. Actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. We do got some downside. So if we end up breaking under that 230 down to that 222, maybe I should write that down. I did not see the 30 minutes, so 30 minute actually looks good. He said, good morning, how's your water consumption looking? Dude, I'm actually going to go get some water right after this one, so. Actually, this doesn't look bad. What is this, AMD? AMD, okay. It looks good, looks decent. So there is that empty space that's under us. Obviously above us though, we have a nice break outside of that 240. So this was what we did earlier. This was like, what, 20 minutes ago? So yeah, above that 240 up to that 246, if we can get that. All right, cool. But yes, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. If you have any requests or if I did not get to you, I swear I'm not ignoring you. So yes, drop those in the comments. All these tabs that we do have up, we will be going over. So no worries at all. And yes, you can see what we do inside the Discord. If you do want to join the free chat, link is in the bio. If you want to join the VIP chat too as well, link is also in the bio as well. We do have that discount code that will be ending, so early Black Friday sale, 30% off pretty much everything. So promo code is PUTFamily. Does this take a lot of time to learn? I'll be honest, it took me years. It took me a very long time, like a very long time, I will say. But this is why I do like to try to break it down, make it as easy as I can. So in the Discord, I try to break it down Obviously, yes, a little bit of effort will be, you know, is needed, of course. But yeah, I try to break it down. You know, once we get in, we get out. I try to, you know, make it very simple. I don't like, you know, being difficult, you know, having difficult looking charts that no one can understand, but not even them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Small, simple charts. We get in, we get out. All right, yes, let's 1 second here. I'll be right back. So give me like literally like 1 minute. And yes, Discord link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, I'll still be on live. So yes, 1 second here, guys. And drop your comments if you have any requests you want me to go over. We will be going over them. Yo, what's up, everyone? I am back. All right, so yes, let's get straight to it. Yo, thanks for 7K likes. I really appreciate it. Wasn't even looking. All right, so what are my thoughts on NVDA? Okay, cool. He said, I'll take some and some time and lock in on learning. So, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's going to take, it's going to definitely take some time for sure. All right, so NBIS, it looks like, okay, it looks like we ended up breaking under this wall here, and then we ended up trotting down, but we could not finish this move, so we would want to see that 89.69 break again into that empty space below us. What I can say as of this second, though, let me take a look on a lower time frame, maybe a, okay, hold on. Okay. I do see a 1 hour chart. Let me look at a lower time frame. So maybe a 4 hour or 45 minutes, sorry. So yes, right under this, we got empty space. Top, bottom, all there, right under this 101. 07 area, if we can get that break. Let's see here. Under this wall, we got empty space down to that 94.57, which honestly looks good. So, entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here, which looks pretty dang decent. So, yeah, we'll see how things play out. So, what am I seeing? This clear gap up, no consolidation there. So, not too bad at all. Yo, Lulu, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, that's on NBIS, ARKK. I'll be honest here. You know, I'm still going to use the same box. I still like this little entry above that 77.99. If we can get that break above, we have empty space up to that 81.16. So, looks good. We're just in consolidation. If we're in consolidation, no trade at all. So, we'll see how that plays out. TTD, let's see here. Maybe 1 hour, 2 hour charts. Actually, hold on. I may be tripping here. Just maybe. Okay, Okay, it actually doesn't look terrible. So POTR, IWM, yes sir, we'll do it. So yeah, we'll do POTR. I got you, Skylar. So yeah, right above us, empty space. First, I would try it up to that 41.93. So yeah, this is on TTD, which honestly doesn't look too bad. We'll just have to see how things will play out on this. All right, so yeah, it looks like we're breaking out. If we can close, so we got 50 minutes for that little close. So if we can get that close outside, looks pretty good. All right, cool. Yeah, actually, it's sticking out there. All right, let me take a look. Where are the Qs at really quickly? Okay, QQQ. We did that already. Let me take a look at, let's see where SPY is. Just need a little quick move here. Okay, SPY. Hold on. Okay, we did that already. Okay, so SPY, let's do POTR. Skylar, hopefully you're watching. Meta, okay. And also, we did NBIS. PLTR, okay. Alright, what I can see here. Honestly, it looks good, I will say. I'm still going to keep the same box here. There is a lot of empty space above us, I will say. So personally, I do like above this 176. So this is just on a little 1 hour chart. So yeah, if we get that nice 176 break, empty space up to that 182. So yeah, it looks good. So yeah, I got my alerts there already, guys. So just make sure you know that I'm ready for this if it does happen. I know that, my bad, but I know that PLTR, when it makes a move, it does like to happen pretty fast. So got to be very careful in that. Right below us, though, honestly, we're just gonna move that. We don't need to get rid of it. Right below us, yeah, we got some more empty space down. So 170 down to this 164. All right, cool. Yeah, downside, yeah, if we end up, my bad, guys, I was writing a couple, some notes down to see if we can, get some trades here. So, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. PLTR, we do got that downside here, which, looks good. So that's if we do want to get that continuation. Or, I mean, upside. I will be honest, I am favoring that upside, though. So, if we make a move today, that looks good. All right, so Meta, Crazy Cat Lady, I will be honest, we're like right there. So, okay, the thing about this one, hold on one second here. Yo, Gito, what's up in the other live chat? Really appreciate it, bro. Thanks for tuning in. So yeah, as of right now, we got empty space above us. I will say we kind of already broken and closed outside of our box. I don't know if you can see that, but we kind of just did that perfectly. So this next candle is going to tell me a lot. So if it does end up, going up to this empty space here, which we still can, I get it. We're it's looking a little bit scary. We're going back to this box here, but yeah, I would like a retest right at open above this wall if we can get that. We got empty space that is currently above us. So either way, it still looks good. Not too bad at all. So we shall see. All right, 1 second here, guys. 1 second. All right, my bad. I was sending a couple other messages inside the chat here. Just gonna go ahead and get all the brokers ready pretty much for today. So 1 second here. Also, yeah, I do want to take a look at where XYZ is. So I think we did end up getting a gap up. So XYZ, so if anyone didn't end up taking this, yes, we ended up getting that break. We did tap that first and that final TP, but we ended up still back into that first TP. So that imbalance is where we're currently at. So that's what I can see there. I don't really see anything else unless if we can break above this, let's see, 66.81, which looks good. So break above there, we have empty space up to that 73.43. So it looks actually pretty good. Not too bad at all. All right, cool. All right, so that is on XYZ. We'll keep on going. We did Google already. We did NVIS, PLTR, AVGO. I don't think we did this yet, but it looks like we had a. Ooh, okay. Honestly, I see something here if we end up continuing. We will take a look. Hold on. Give me 1 second here. 1 second. And hold on. Actually, I do want to take a look at IW. I do want to see where we're currently at here. All right, IWM. Okay, yeah, we need you to slow down just a bit for us. Just a bit. Okay, so for this, yo, TR, what's up? Good morning, good to see you. All right, so, my bad, guys. Let me stop yapping. So we got this clear gap down, no consolidation. And yes, right above us, what I can see here is we got a lot of empty space. So top, bottom, all there. If we can break above this, oh, I messed that up. So there we go. 379, we get that nice break outside of that level, that wall there. We do have empty space up to this 387.26, which looks good. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want here, and it doesn't look too bad. So, yeah, we'll see. We shall see how that plays out. As of right now, it's just not ready yet. So, yeah, that's what I can see there. All right, VEEV, I'm not sure what this is. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Okay. So I do see the 4 hour. The 4 hour doesn't look, you know, terrible. Let me take a look. So we would have to go to a... So honestly, that 4 hour probably would be our best bet. I personally may not take this trade just because, you know, there's a couple other trades that look pretty decent. But yeah, right above this 277.51, we get that break. Do want to see up to this 293. So yeah, it looks really good. We'll just have to see how things play out. Looks good. So VEV right above us. Yeah, we got some empty space there, which looks good. All right, I kind of do want to see where Tesla is. So let me see where Tesla currently is right now. Let me see if we got a nice little... All right, so the thing about Tesla, it looks good, right? I think we still might be able to finish the move. We just kind of already closed above, and we're getting close to that TP. So, if I end up trying this, it'll be more of a lotto play. So more of like a start a lotto play if that ends up happening. All right, so yes, Netflix. Let's take a look here. Ooh, Netflix looks good. Yeah, Christian, it doesn't look too bad, man. The 30-minute, the 1 hour. Honestly, that 1 hour looks good. So 1 second here. Hold on, Netflix. Yeah, we got some empty space that is above us. So top, bottom, all here. Yes, we have empty space above, which above that 111.41 up to this 114.24. Entry, exit, middle of the move. Yeah, we got exactly what we want here, so it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that looks good. Let me take a look where the Qs are as of this second here. QQQ. All right, Qs. Looks like we're trying to get that little movement already. We'll see how things play out. IWM. All right. So yeah, a lot of things are moving right now. So we're getting some movement. That's what I like, but we'll just have to see if we can get some before market ends up making the move before I can even get in. All right, so that's there. QQQ, we did that. SPY, I think we were supposed to do that already. So SPY, pretty much that same thing here. There is empty space above that 674 up to that 681. Honestly, I will say, under this 30 minutes. So yes, over that 674, we got empty space above us. I will say though, just briefly, you know, let's just say if we end up dropping below under that 669, especially if we can break this call space area, we do have empty space down to this, let's see here, that 6603 area. So it actually looks really good. We'll just have to see how things play out. For today, I'm not really in a rush, you know, to get into any trades, you know, just like every day. I kind of just want, you know, maybe 1 or 2 good setups if we can get it. So today it's just not, you know, boom, let's just get in, you know, just because we want to. You know, I'm just gonna wait and see if we can find some good entries. So just like yesterday, the day before that, how we're able to, you know, catch a couple of these trades with the Potter box here. We had to wait. So same thing. I'm not gonna really rush. If we get in, cool. If we don't, you know, that's perfectly fine as well. All right, so let's keep on going. RGTI and INTC. Hold on, let's see. I'm actually gonna leave that up. Netflix does look good though, so that was a good suggestion too. If it'll load, that'd be great. Okay, yeah, you're right. Hold on. Let's see. I think I may have done this on a 2-hour chart. Give me a second here. Okay, it was a 2-hour. Actually, you know what? I'll write this down. It doesn't look bad. Not too bad. RGTI. So yeah, I'm pretty much still going to use the same box above that 26.77 and up to that 28.29. Maybe leaving a runner up to that 29.12 area. You know, it looks good. We're just going to have to see how things play out with that. But yeah, as of right now, it looks like we could end up hitting that. So we shall see. We shall see. All right, so also, yeah, we'll look at INTC as well. So, oh, dude, yeah, INTC looks really good as well. Wow, that looks pretty dandy. I'm not gonna lie, that could be a, depending on how it looks and how it is, could be a swing, but we'll see how things play out on that. So yeah, we do have that empty space that is currently above us. So above that 36 area, we have empty space up to that 36.86. So clear gap down. This is exactly what I would want. So a nice little break and close above. Yeah, empty space is above there. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning in. So yes, as of now, I got a lot of typing to do, things of that sort. So yes, I will be in the Discord. So yes, if you do want to join, honestly, the free chat is there. You can even just join the free chat. We do have that early Black Friday sale going on that will be ending soon. So you can see Put Family for pretty much 30% off. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I will be back on live in another hour or so, so you don't even have to join if you don't want to. But yes, thank you all so much. Have a blessed one, guys and gals. See you all soon in Jesus' name, amen. See you either in the Discord or in my next live chat.